Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this AI comic filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the filter. You can browse a picture from your camera roll or you can take a picture. So to get this effect, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. Tap on the search button and here search for AI comic. Okay, the first one with 1.4 million videos, tap there. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for AI comic filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon, just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Likewise, or suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now here tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, let's try it. Let's select 60 seconds, maybe 15 seconds will not work. Okay, then when you're ready, you can take a picture or you can browse the picture from camera roll. Okay, wait for it. Well, and we got the result.